Presenting Clinicsoncloud's Box Clinic, a smart revolution in preventive diagnostics that measures more than 50 basic health parameters, like ECG, HbA1c, lipid profile, hemoglobin, body fat, sugar, blood pressure, and various rapid tests like COVID antigen, malaria, dengue, typhoid, by using certified medical devices which gives instant report and maintain digital health record. This box clinic is highly compact and portable and can work without electricity and internet, thus making it a perfect tool to conduct health camps and door-to-door health checkups in the remotest of areas. Let us see how this box clinic works. Once the user approaches Box Clinic, he or she is first registered with the system using mobile number and few personal details. Then a quick questionnaire collects the necessary lifestyle information for diagnostic purpose. Now the tests can begin. First, body temperature is measured using temperature gun. Next, by simply putting finger on oximeter, oxygen saturation level is displayed on the screen. Then user can determine his height automatically using ultrasonic sensor. Now when user stands on weighing scale, along with weight it also computes body composition such as body fat, BMI, muscle mass, bone mass and 10 more parameters using ultramodern dual-frequency bioimpedance analysis technology. Next, blood pressure is effortlessly measured using handcuff and data gets displayed within 15 seconds. For vision test, internationally accepted Snellen chart is used. It gives precise results as user reads alphabets from 6-meter distance. Next, we measure sugar, where user cleans finger with alcoholic swab and pricks it with disposable lens set and then apply blood on the strip. The result gets displayed within few seconds. Also, for hemoglobin, with existing pricked finger, user takes a new strip, inserts blood sample into the device and within 20 seconds result is displayed. Once basic health checkup tests are completed, a comprehensive report along with a personalized meal plan is generated and made available immediately. The report is shared with user via SMS, WhatsApp and email. Amongst the most crucial, cardiac checkup is performed with either 3 or 12 lead ECG. ECG taken is instantly sent to specialist doctor and within 10 minutes a properly certified report arrives which is immediately shared with patient over WhatsApp and email. Advanced tests like lipid profile, HbA1c, rapid tests like COVID antigen, malaria, dengue, typhoid, urine checkup can also be carried out with the same device. Upon completion of all tests, every patient's report goes to cloud and become available for stakeholders for impact analysis. Patients can also easily access all past reports, medical history through user-friendly mobile app and understand the same with detailed graphical analysis. With more than 500 health kiosks and box clinics already installed, 5,000 abnormalities detected and 5 lakhs plus patients tested, Clinicsoncloud revolution is truly reaching far and wide,